All right, guys, we are rounding up this week with the last reptile that we're gonna do. Crocodile or alligator?
Decisions.
All right, dump out your bag. We're gonna take a look at this head. Look how round it is, okay? That's the first giveaway that it is an alligator, okay? It's an alligator because it has this round head, okay? If it was more of a point, it would be a crocodile, all right? Also, the crocodiles get bigger than the alligators.
Yes.
And the alligators do not like salt water.
Ah, okay.
So the crocodiles can stand salt water, so you will find them kind of everywhere. Alligators, stay away from it. Not too fond. All right, first thing you're going to do is you're going to take this weird looking piece of green and you're going to be like, what am I going to do with this? You're going to take your glue. You're going to put a bunch of glue right on one end. You ready for this?
Oh, let's see it.
You're going to wrap it around. And you're going to hold it.
And
you're going to count to 5.
1, 2, 3, 4,
and 5. All right? And then you're going to sit it aside. Sit it over there. Okay? Very easy. Flip the head over. Take glue. Put it all over this snout right here. Okay? Put your head on. And if your alligator's head is flat, pull it up. Just bend it just a little bit so that it sticks up just a little bit. It's like, hey guys, here I am.
I can see clearly.
All right. Next thing you're going to do is put your eyes on. I know we have eyes, but we're going to make them pop. So put glue on the Google eyes and put them right on top of there. Because now he looks cool.
Now he's complete.
Now he's complete. All right. Got our eyes on there. Whoops. Okay, I think Miss Chrissy got more on the front than the back.
Now he's got a nice sticky purple eye on the front.
Yeah.
That's all right. Easy fix.
Boom.
There.
There we go.
Ah, much better.
All right. And then you can bend him a little bit if you want. Just to give him a little dimension. I'm going to stick his tail up a little. You don't have to.
Yep.
And then we're going to take our little circle that we made. Okay. Going to kind of push it down a little bit. We're going to put glue right over the top. And then we're going to take our gator. Another word for alligator. Gator. And we're going to stick it right under its arms. Okay, just hold that for a second. And then, once it is dry, give it a couple minutes to dry. You can put your 2 fingers in. And now we have our little gator puppet. You like that, don't you, Miss Rachel?
I do. I love it. It's so cute.
Okay. So on that note, I'm going to say, see you later, alligator. And you're going to say,
after a while, crocodile.
All right, you guys. I hope you have had a blast with our reptile kit. It has been fun. I love it. You still have some activities that you can play with on a different day. And as always, look at our other kits. See what you want to do. Order it. We'll ship it right to your door. All right, you guys. Have a fantastic day. Bye.